Hello guys, you are welcome to module 2 of this training. In this module, I'm going to show you what the Forex chart looks like. The Forex chart is nothing but a graphical representation showing how the price of a currency pair changes over time. It is from this chart that technical analysis and decision to either buy or sell a currency pair is made. So, Forex chart is very much important to traders. No trader trades in isolation of the chart. Before you take a trade, it is very much important for you to look at the chart so that you know and take a decision on a currency that is buying or selling. This is what I mean by Forex chart. This graph represents the activities of buyers and sellers in the market. When you look at this, you will see the red candlesticks, this that looks like candlesticks. You also see the ones that are green, and you also see the ones that are red. You also see at the right hand side here that numbers are listed. These numbers that are listed here are referred to as exchange rates. Exchange rates that are here are always fluctuating, moving from one number to the other. Yes, that is the activities of buying and selling that is going on in the market. Let's look at the line chart. A simple line chart draws a line from one closing price to the next closing price. When you look at the line chart, we can see a general price movement of a currency pair over a period of time. It is simple to follow, but the problem I normally have with line chart is that it does not give much detail about price behavior. All you know is that the price closed at X at the end of the period, and you have no clue what X happened. So you see the way the price are meshed together, just moving. But the advantage of using this line chart is it also helps you to see trend clearer. Alright, let's look at the bar chart. Here is the graphical representation of the bar chart. The little horizontal line on the left is the opening of the price. This is it. That's the opening. The top of the vertical line defines the highest price of the time period. The top of the vertical line defines the highest time of the time period. The bottom of the vertical line defines the lowest price of the time period. And the horizontal line on the right is the closing of the price. Here refers to the closing of the price. So in this bar chart, it carries the opening to show you that here is where the price opened. Here is the lowest the price went, and here is the highest the price went. So here is where the price closed. So if the bearish candle appears, here is the opening of the bearish candle. Here is the highest of the what? The opening, and here is the lowest of the opening. Here is where the market closes. So this bar chart is a bit complex, and that is why most traders prefer to just use candlestick other than bar charts. However, I know this is becoming a bit complex for you, but do not beat yourself up. I know you understand it better as we progress. All I just wanted to do in this module is to expose you to the graphical representation of buying and selling so that you will see how the market is being represented in its simplest graph. So bear in mind that prices range from one exchange rate to the other. At the right hand side of this chart is the representation of the exchange rate, and below at this place is the representation of different time frames that the price move. So here are the price. This represents the price as it goes up and comes down. That is the price moving from one exchange rate to the other and at different time. So this is what I want you to clearly get from this Forex chart. In our next module, we'll be talking about when to trade Forex. See you in the next class. Thank you.